Today, we're making Jollibee Chickenjoy at home. This juicy, crispy, and flavor-packed chicken is an absolute icon. Whether you've had Jollibees before or not, you'll want to give it a try after you see what we're cooking today. This fried chicken is just perfect for lunch or dinner. Each bite is packed with juicy, flavorful chicken and that nice crispy outside. Jollibee's really is an icon when it comes to fried chicken. And today, we'll be making it here at home. So, let's get cooking. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of 5 spice, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix. In a separate bowl, add 4 egg whites and toss our chicken drumsticks in the egg whites. Then transfer to the coating bowl and toss until fully covered in our breading. Be sure to then set this aside on a pan or tray for at least 4 minutes. Repeat for the rest of the chicken drumsticks. We'll also do 4 bone-in and skin-on chicken thighs. Get it nice and coated and let rest for 4 minutes. Resting will get us a really nice crispy bite. We'll be using the air fryer today, but deep frying is also an option. In an air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll add our chicken drumsticks and spray generously with neutral oil. Allow to cook for 10 minutes. Spray with more oil, and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, or until nice and crispy as desired. We can then pull these off and onto a rack. Load in our chicken thighs, spraying generously again with oil of course. Cook for 10 minutes, add more oil, and cook for another 5 minutes or so, or until nice and crispy. Remove these and boom, we have Jollibee Chickenjoy. It tastes so good, and just look at how juicy and crunchy that chicken is. Yum. It's best to eat these right out of the air fryer, but of course you can always wait a little bit. Just like at Jollibee's, the chicken has that hint of 5 spice flavor and simple yet delicious crispy outside to each chicken bite. The only thing really missing now is the Jollibee gravy. So if you want to see that, let me know down in the comments below and we can make that next time. If you enjoyed or want to make this, be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know what your favorite Jollibee dish is in the comments below.